You see that tree over there? That's a mimosa, and it's not an invasive one, and it's really doing well. It's not. This tree is about 23 years old, so it is a fast grower. It gives a lot of shade, and it gives a lot of milk. But it's very difficult to have it from seeds. So in a certain kind of period of the year, you can find some seedlings, for example here. What I do then, if it's very wet, and this is already grown a lot, so I'm very careful taking it out. Now I already have a big seedling, and I pot this up, and this will be one of the trees that I will start planting in October. They don't have a really developed root system, so I can put them up in a pot, and then in October it will be very strong, and then I can plant it out. If I do it like this, it won't survive. So all these seedlings that are here now at the moment, if I don't take them out between now and 3 or 4 weeks, they will all die. But if I take them out, they're already this big, and I have them in a pot. You see, I'm again very, very careful with the roots. Because if you are in an area that is so dry as we are here, then the root system is really, really important. But look at this. I already have a really nice plant from nature, with a little bit care for me afterwards. Ta-da!